Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, please subscribe my channel for more updates. Okay, today we are gonna show you how to install Kubernetes on Google Cloud Platform Instance, which we was create in last video. View command line. Copy this command and paste into your terminal. For this you will need gcloud. You have to install gcloud. Please let me know if you want to install if you want to know how to install gcloud. I will make a video for you guys. Your instance is connecting. Okay, now search for Kubernetes install. Then you will click on install tools. Okay, and then click on install Kubernetes on Linux. If you want to install on Mac OS or Windows, it's also available. Click on Kubernetes Linux, and then if you want to install binary, then you can go with these steps. And if you want to install native package management, then you can just go with this one. I am using Ubuntu, so I will go with Debian based distribution. Paste this command, execute, and now it's done. Then copy this command and paste into the terminal. If you have already, then you just override this. Okay, then copy this line and paste it here, and then just update and install the package. Copy this both and paste it here. Till now installing Kubernetes kubectl. Our Kubernetes is installation done. Now check version Kubernetes. Yeah, you can see our Kubernetes installation is done. Now for create instance, create cluster, we need a cluster installation. Create cluster app like Minikube, KubeADM, and also like kind. Okay, today we let's try with Minikube. Search how to install Minikube Ubuntu. You can go with this Minikube, also their own documentation. Okay, let's click on this Minikube. You just copy this command and paste it here. Minikube installation done. Okay, let's check Minikube version. You can see it's installed 1.32.0. Okay, now for create instance, just click start your cluster using Minikube start. Minikube start, and it will Minikube unable to pick default driver. Okay, we have to also install Docker. So to install Docker, sudo ptinstall docker.io. Let's install Docker. For Minikube, Docker is required. Okay, now start Minikube. You can, I think, permission issue. So just try this command and it will work. Minikube start. Now it is working. If you sometimes error is good for learning. If I didn't get the error, then I will not able to show you this how to fix this problem. Let's wait until the image is pulling. Okay. Yeah, our Minikube cluster is done. Okay, check kubectl ubectl get no response. You can see our cluster is created. Thanks for watching this video. I will get back to you with next video. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.